Anthony here from Beverage Locksmiths. In this module we're just going to quickly run through the basics of how to back up your database. So with every software install you'll have an SQL server in the background that manages all of the database, holds the license for the software. So typically when we do an installation, if there is a backup set up, it may be directed to that file location. So to start with, I'll show you that. So under Program Files, you'll be looking for the SQL server, and it's normally this last one down here. So under this address, that number will change if you're on a different one. This is SQL Server 12. A lot of the newer ones will be up to 17 or 18, I think. And under Backup, you'll see your backup file there. So you can copy and paste that into a USB just by right clicking, copy and paste it into a USB if you're wanting to transfer that over to a new PC. But I just want to show you the most basic way to do it. If you're not sure about any of that and you just want to take a backup, what you can do is you can set up a folder under C drive just called SALTO backup. And if I just minimize that, go to Tools, Make Backup, and you'll see I've used it a few times here. But if you use this description here, the same way that I've got it written in here, that'll go to that file location, and you just hit OK. It does its thing, and that's done. So when we go back into here, under the backup, you'll see that that is now in there, and that time is current. So that's the basics of taking a backup. And just to go a little bit further on that, I'll just close here and show you that there's also the ability to schedule these backups. So at the top here, you want to click into here. This is automatic backup, and this is the directory. So this is a standard directory based on having an SQL, but I could put that same directory file for the folder I put in there. That would make it go to that location instead, and you just go OK on that. I'm going to leave it set up under the SQL, but you can change that. And this is just the frequency, so it's going to happen once at this time every day. You can change that to every hour, or whenever, you could have it once a week. Do it however you like. And next step, and this is just confirming all the information, your directory, the frequency, all this sort of thing. And because I'm not changing anything, it's not prompting me to finish, so I'm just going to cancel. It's already set up. Once it is in here, you need to make sure that that says that it's running. If it's not, you'll need to tick the little button there, and it'll give you the option to start or restart once you've ticked on that. And that's everything. So that covers taking a backup. Thank you very much.